And now Healthline with award-winning medical correspondent Phil Rainier.
Welcome back. Heart murmurs are harmless, right? Well, not necessarily. In fact, experts say in some people, they can be downright dangerous.
Many of them are walking time bombs.
Dr. Melissa Wood was at the Baton Rouge General to bring doctors here up to speed on programs that pinpoint potentially deadly heart murmurs. Programs like she helped set up at the Massachusetts General Hospital. It specializes in heart valve surgery that fixes heart murmurs with the potential to kill.
If you have symptoms, you have a 50% chance of being dead within 2 years.
Symptoms like chest pain and shortness of breath. The Baton Rouge General is in the process of ramping up its own heart murmur program. It will also include surgery to repair heart valve issues to blame for murmurs that are life-threatening.